Hey guys, this is just a quick one on an industry I found online called cap industries. Got one of these in your car. I've always had one in the car. Got one in the boat when I used to have a boat. Got one in the van. The problem with it is, where does it live? You can never find anywhere for it to live. Sometimes it's under my seat, sometimes it's at the back seat. For a while there it was living in the drawers in the back of the ute. It was a nightmare. So Cap Industries have solved all your problems. It just fits neatly underneath your seat, front seat. It's a permanent housing. It's magic. I'll show you the installation. It's super simple and super quick. If I can do it, anybody can do it, trust me. This is a little bracket. I received it today from Cap Industries. They're from south of Victoria, I believe. Ordered it on, what was it, Thursday last week. Today's Monday. Super quick and free delivery. I think it was only like $79 for the whole bracket. And I think this bracket's going to be a game changer. So I'll show you. So I'm just going to show you the install that I did last night, because I realized I was running out of light and it didn't quite turn out the way I wanted. So I'll throw that in anyway, but not that you're going to see much. But show you this super simple. This is it installed. So super simple to get in and out. Now it has a place to live, so it's easy to get to. There's no more rolling around the car. It's not stuck in my drawer. So I'll show you how easy it is to install. Just with these cars, there's no drilling, there's no soldering or anything like that. So I'll just show you real quick how simple it is. If I can do it, as I said, anybody can do it. So I'll just show you real quick. This little bracket for your fire extinguisher just attaches to these. The bracket that you get comes supplied, so it's got these little movable arms on it. You just set it up to the size of the fire extinguisher that you have. Some people I know have the head of the fire extinguisher here. I've chosen to have it the other way simply because I did kick it a couple of times, the head of the fire extinguisher while it was there, so I just swapped it around. But the Ranger, I'm pretty sure it's probably the same with all other cars as well, and there's all different makes of this bracket that you can get to suit your car. You just go online and have a look, put in your model, and they'll show you the one that fits. There's just two little screws, well, bolts that unscrew. There's one here, there's one underneath the cap of that, which is really simple. You just pop up this cover here with a screwdriver. You'll find that same bolt underneath a little screw. Just screw that off. That cap comes off. Unscrew these bolts. Slide your bracket in from K-Pack in there. Little hint, have this attached to the bracket before you install it, before you screw it in. But then you just re-screw those bolts down and it's done. And as I said, it's easy to get to. It's out of the way. It's perfect. As I said, no screwing, no soldering, no bolting. I don't have to screw anything into the canopy or anything like that. I think it's a handy little bit of kit. And as I said before, better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So that's my take on it. I think it's a handy little bit of kit. Go get some.
Now all we need to do is clean the car.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
It's a working car. I work in it. You know, that's what we do.
Or holiday in
It's
it.
meant to be driven. I didn't buy it to park it in the driveway.
Whatever. Clean your car. All right.
All right. Cheers. Get busy living.
Thanks for watching.